What's up, guys and gals? I'm STEK Michael, and we're out at First Class Auto Care in Boise, Idaho. Now, right behind me is a Cybertruck, and we know these have been extremely popular to get paint protection film or wraps done so that they stand out and look a little bit different than they do from the factory. And this one is no different. However, it is in for our DYNOpurple-matte paint protection film, and it's going to be the first vehicle in the country to get this installed. Now, the matte has a nice satin sheen to it, and it's really going to help articulate these hard body lines and give you a dark but rich, again, almost classic midnight purple finish. So we already cranked out our Smart Series window tint on the windshield with 70% and the side windows with our Smart 35%, and now it's time for paint protection film to really tie this package all together. Stay tuned as we let these guys get to work. Might be wondering why they dismantled the front of the Cybertruck, but the reason is so that they can get those wrapped edges as clean and as seamlessly done as possible. There's a very tight gap between this front panel and the top of the hood, and it makes it really difficult to actually get the film to wrap all the way around. You can sometimes fight it and tuck it in there, but that can be problematic for longevity. And so really the best way to do it, if you're comfortable and qualified, is to dismantle that front metal piece as well as that light. And then these guys are gonna go ahead, let these edges dry up, trim them up a little bit, and tuck them all the way around so you get a similar to paint-like finish once this car is all done. Another cool thing the team at First Class Auto Care are doing here is on these Foundation Series Cybertrucks, they're actually embossing the Foundation logo. Now, a lot of folks will replace this logo and install it on top of the PPF, but I haven't seen very many folks do the emboss. And what that does is have a raised texture where the foundation is a little bit more subtle, but if you know, then you know. And just like that, this Foundation Series Cybertruck is fully protected in our DYNOpurple-matte and Smart Series window tint. These guys have been hard at work making sure it's done properly. A lot of these edges are wrapped and tucked. The vehicle's reassembled. Now it's time to pull it outside and see it in the wild. You might be asking, Michael, why are you wearing so many layers? It's a beautiful sunny day, and it is, but it's also December in Boise, which means it's cold. But we wanted to take you guys out here because you might also be asking, why are so many people wrapping their cars? And we would reply with, well, this is really technically a paint protection film that's a little bit different than a wrap, and it brings a little bit more value than traditional vinyl wraps do as well. With a paint protection film, it's about 3 times as thick as traditional vinyl materials. It's made from a urethane plastic versus a PVC, which means it's a lot more robust and durable against rock chip damages, other debris actually chipping in and through the film into the car's paint. And it has a top coat, which means it's hydrophobic, water beads up and makes the washing process a little bit quicker and easier. And then it's self-healing, so if you do get some light scratches on it from either just rubbing against the car or when you're washing the car, those will disappear with sunshine or, say, a bucket of hot water. It's pretty cool technology. And the other big reason is it looks a lot better than traditional vinyl wrap. The quality of the finish is super smooth and refined, whereas with vinyl wraps, you get a little bit more orange peel texture. It takes away from the overall quality of the aesthetic. So if you really want something that's gonna last longer, these have up to 10-year warranties than vinyls compared to 2 or 3 years. Paint protection film is a no-brainer. The other cool thing that the Cybertruck has going on is our Smart Series window tint. Now, on a sunny day like this, it's gonna provide you some privacy and also some UV protection against those harmful rays that can damage your skin. That means you, your passengers, or your kids are gonna be safer when they're riding in the car with window tint. But this is our ceramic series tint, so it also blocks heat. So on a hot summer day, that AC system isn't working so hard to keep the interior of the car a little bit cooler. Check it out.